Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing both devices. On the PC, enable Remote Desktop and note the PC name or IP address. This is how you connect. Make sure user accounts have passwords. Windows requires that. On the iPhone, download Microsoft Remote Desktop from the App Store and grant network permissions so the app can reach your PC. Once done, open the app and tap Add. This begins the actual connection setup. Don't skip entering the exact PC name or IP. Next, you configure the connection settings that control how the session behaves. In the app, add a new PC and input the IP or host name, then choose or create the user account you'll log in with. You can save credentials to speed future logins. Make sure to set display resolution and enable clipboard or sound redirection if you need them. If you're outside your local network, make sure you use a VPN or carefully set router port forwarding to 3389. To finish, tap the saved connection and enter credentials if not saved. You may see a certificate prompt. Accept only if it matches your PC. Once connected, use the app's gestures and toolbar, two-finger drag to scroll, pinch to zoom, and the keyboard button for typing. Make sure to sign out when done. If you can't connect, check the IP and firewall rules, verify the account has remote desktop permission, confirm port 3389 or VPN settings, and restart services or devices to clear transient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.